Monitoring slow rotating equipment is a real pain. Until today. Hi, I'm Danielle, Director of Product Operations, and today we're introducing Augury's new Machine Health Ultra-Low solution, featuring our first ever ultrasound sensor. We've put in a lot of work so you can finally diagnose critical slow rotating components using AI. Ready to see how it works and how it's changing critical operations? Let's dive in. So why is this release a game changer? Here's a word from Augury's Chris Morrison. So how does ultra-low catch failures in these slow rotators? Let's take a look at the solution. Ultra-Low's sensor is designed to deliver full-spectrum ultrasound data to monitor rotating equipment as slow as 1 RPM. It's sensitive enough to catch the tiniest issue before it becomes a catastrophe, like the jiggle of a single refractory brick inside a multi-tone kiln. We're able to take very high-frequency samples for a significant amount of time with extremely high sensitivity and dynamic range. By sampling data up to 100 Hz per sensor, you can capture the earliest signs of degradation.
So here's the kicker. Most plants don't have a way to integrate all that data. They're stuck reacting versus predicting. That's why I think the smarter multi-sensor approach is a much better idea. Because it can actually help reliability teams deal with the slow giants.
What makes Machine Health Ultra-Low more powerful than any other solution that uses ultrasound? Our solution captures massive amount of continuous data, which our trusted AI analyzes, allowing you to catch up to 10 times more faults with 99.9% accuracy. Within weeks of installing Ultra-Low, it only took a few weeks for our customers to see big wins on equipment that was previously hard to monitor. Here's the details of one of those wins. At a sand refining facility, we detected a gearbox issue on a rotary kiln. This massive machine dries wet aggregates like cement and sand at high heat. Ultra-Low detected a loose bolt on the gearbox subframe, saving almost 4,000 hours of downtime and over $1 million in costs. If you rely on slow critical equipment in mining, chemicals, building materials, CPG, or another industry, this changes everything. And there you have it, Augury's Machine Health Ultra-Low. For more information on our solutions, click the link below and subscribe to Augury's YouTube channel to stay updated on our latest product news and more.